Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video, we will look at some of the 6 best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. We've tested many circular saws, and this one comes as close to perfection as is possible. Equipped with a standard 7.25-inch blade and an 8Ah battery, and weighing 11.6 pounds, 9.5 for the saw and 2.14 for the battery, it's a nimble cutter by itself. But the good news gets better. It has an aluminum accessory track, no special shoe or mounting hardware required. Lay the track, available separately for about $100, on the board or plywood, and slide this Bosch down it like a locomotive riding the rails. The resulting rip or crosscut is table saw accurate. To control cutting depth, this saw features a thumb latch right above the trigger. Move the latch forward and press down, and the saw's shoe drops. To fine-tune the shoe's position, simply hold it with one hand while pressing down on the latch. When the shoe is where you want it, release the latch. And the amount of blade exposure below the shoe is right where you need it. Number 2. Skilsaw Sidewinder Circular Saw. This saw crushes cuts more quickly and powerfully than almost any other. Its 15-amp motor pushes through lumber fast enough that you can earn a living with it, and thanks to the electronic brake system that stops the blade as soon as you release the trigger, you're on to your next cut in mere seconds. A built-in dust blower helps keep your cut line free of debris, which improves visibility and increases overall accuracy. It's not cheap, but this saw is worth the investment for anyone who needs the unlimited runtime and power of a corded saw. Number 3. Skil 15-amp Corded Circular Saw. Skil has a long history with a circular saw, and it puts that institutional knowledge to good use with this inexpensive but capable corded model. It's accurate and comfortable to handle. Its cut depth is easy to adjust, and the shoe sits perfectly parallel to the blade. We were also pleasantly surprised by the torque this saw's 15-amp motor provides, and a bright power indicator light lets you know when it's turned on, a handy safety perk I always appreciate. Even with the blade fully submerged in lumber for rips and crosscuts, it powered through our tests with minimal resistance. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Cordless Circular Saw. DeWalt took its 20-volt cordless circular saw and sent it to the gym. Now, it can run on a standard 20-volt max battery or the hulking dual-voltage 20/60 flex volt power pack, not included. The latter enables a ridiculous amount of cuts on one charge or repeated cuts at its depth of 2 9/16 inches. It made so many buzzes through 2x4s in our test that we didn't even bother counting them. We ran out of wood before the battery showed any signs of fading. Of course, with these larger batteries, you're hauling around more total weight. During our testing, we found this circular saw really comfortable to operate, thanks to the ergonomic handle positions and rubber grip. We also appreciated the effectiveness of the electronic blade brake, which stops the blade from spinning a second or two after you release the trigger. Overall, this DeWalt cordless circular saw is a powerful, smooth-cutting tool with outstanding accuracy. If you're thinking of going cordless, but want to ensure you maintain top performance, this is the one to get. Number 5. Metabo-HPT 60V Cordless Circular Saw. The Metabo-HPT 60V embodies aspects of the traditional left-blade circular saw that have endeared it to generations of carpenters. Its chief virtue is that it has a high power-to-weight ratio. This saw is a fast cutter, even if it's not quite as strong as some heavy-duty rear-handle saws out there, such as the Makita 40V rear-handle circular saw. That said, it is almost 3 to 4 pounds lighter than others we tested. It cuts any typical framing material well, but you can also easily use it to break down plywood sheets or lengths of hardwood lumber for a furniture piece you want to build. During our testing, this circular saw did just as well cutting full-depth bevels as it did full-depth rips and crosscuts. Our verdict: its light overall weight, power, and easy handling features help to make this a truly productive circular saw. Number 6. DeWalt 20V Max * Circular Saw. At 7.6 pounds, this DeWalt saw was the lightest model we tested, and that made it especially comfortable to maneuver and operate. Its compact size, less than 16 inches front to back, also means it's convenient to use in tight or awkward spaces and easier to store or transport than bulkier models. We also found the cam levers, used to lock in bevel and cut depth adjustments, to be intuitive and to lock in place securely without hassle. This kit also includes a snap-on dust chute, which connects directly to your shop vac or dust extraction system. It's worth noting that the 18-tooth blade results in rougher cuts than the 24-tooth blades on most saws, but as long as your projects don't require extra smooth edges, this shouldn't be much of an issue.